It's the first CDC airport health screenings since the Ebola virus 6 years ago, starting immediately at 3 key airports, LAX, SFO, and JFK in New York. Any traveler arriving from Wuhan, China, will be screened for a fever and symptoms that are usually associated with a cold or flu.
The earlier we can detect this virus, the better we can understand it, and the better we can protect Americans from it.
Already, 45 cases have been reported in China, including 2 deaths. The victims are thought to have contracted the virus in a meat and seafood market. Isolated cases have also shown up in Japan and Thailand, where health authorities are already screening travelers. The CDC says this new disease is a variation of the coronavirus that includes the common cold and the SARS virus, which spread worldwide in 2003, killing nearly 800.
This is a virus that affects the lungs, so it sounds a little bit like influenza. Fever, chills, aches, difficulty breathing, and a cough.
The concern, the virus could spread from human to human. The first flight from Wuhan, China arrives at 10 p.m. tonight at JFK in New York. NBC's Aaron McLaughlin is there.
The CDC says it will begin screening passengers arriving on the direct flight from Wuhan, China. Travelers will be asked if they have any symptoms such as a fever or cough. They've spent any time at a fish or meat market.
At LAX, travelers are just starting to learn of the health alert.
As long as we take our preventative measures like we are right now, then we're fine, I think.
So, Tom, I heard that doctor in your story mentioning the symptoms very much like a cold. So how might the cold and flu season complicate matters for these screeners?
Yeah, that's really the challenge because, of course, these are so similar to the flu season. If somebody is really sick, they may send them to an area hospital, maybe put them in quarantine, but they say that they may have to expand the screenings to other airports if the need arises.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.